Hi everyone, Dylan Irvin here. I want to show you a cool new product I've got here from Recover Tactical. This is the Glock charging handle by Recover Tactical and is the easiest way to increase slide manipulation performance. The ergonomic design has no protruding parts to snag on your clothes or holster. Installation is simple and requires no permanent modifications to your firearm. Using the included mounting hardware, secure the charging handle to the slide serrations and you're ready to go. Charge your gun and clear malfunctions effectively with the Glock charging handle from Recover Tactical.
This is the Compact Rail by Recover Tactical and is the most stable rail solution for your compact firearm. The Compact Rail is available for the Glock 43 and 26, Smith & Wesson Shield, and SIG P365. The Compact Rail is easy to install. Simply fix the rail to the gun and using the included hardware, tighten the screws. No modifications to your gun are required, which means it won't damage your firearm. With the Compact Rails, you can now attach a light or a laser system to your compact firearms. These are the Compact Rails by Recover Tactical.
At Alien Gear Holsters, we want every product we design to be an all-new, better way to carry a firearm than ever before invented. Our passion for design began with the original Cloak Tuck IWB holster, which then quickly evolved into the award-winning 3.0 holster. It's time once again to evolve the IWB holster. The 4.0 IWB holster offers an entirely new class of comfort. The overall size of the holster has been reduced, which makes it more comfortable than ever before. We have eliminated the 4 points of retention that limited the flex on the 3.0, and now we have a single point of customized retention. The 4.0 still has the same patented stainless spring steel core as the 3.0. However, the new design has allowed us to shrink this down, which provides much greater flexibility. These new advancements vastly improve comfort from the first time you wear the holster. At the same time, we've brought a new level of safety to IWB holsters that has never been achieved before now. With its innovative new design, the ShapeShift now covers both sides of the trigger guard. It's crucial for a safe holster to have a rigid surface protecting your trigger guard. By using a custom-engineered mold for each firearm, every detail of your gun's shape is captured by the impact-resistant shell, designed from the same polymer that some guns are made out of, making it far superior to Kydex. Beyond breathtaking aesthetics, the new detailed shells provide you with a perfect fitting IWB holster. You will hear a satisfying click each time you holster your pistol. An updated cool vent neoprene lines the back of the 4.0 IWB holster, offering more breathable comfort than ever before. It's the type of padded material that disperses the weight of your firearm while softly conforming to your waistline. After hundreds of prototypes and thousands of man-hours, we've managed to eliminate all hardware found on the Cloak Tuck 3.0. The back of the holster base is now fully covered by breathable neoprene without any exposed metal, and our new adjustable holster clips are completely toolless. To adjust your cant and ride height, simply relocate your holster clips by hand and never worry about screws again. Every single detail in this holster serves a purpose. The 4.0 IWB holster is designed with an entirely new retention system. Our all-new adjustable retention unit allows for customized retention by the turn of a twist lock. If you prefer active retention, there's even an optional thumb release. Our IWB holster is now edge-bound and features an all-new texture that'll provide you with a perfect amount of drag to your draw. The 4.0 is part of the ShapeShift modular holster system that transforms from this IWB holster to almost any holster you can think of, from shoulder to appendix to ankle. Each one is more comfortable and more concealable than any you've tried before, and all covered by our 30-day test drive and forever warranty.